had yourself a change of heart like halfway through the drive. Cause your voice trailed off exactly as you passed my exit sign. Kept on driving straight and left our future to the right. Now I'm stuck between my anger and the flame that I can't face. Memories of something even smoking weed is not a place, and I am terrified of weather cause I see when it rains. Doc told me to travel but there's COVID on the planes. And I love Vermont but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. It's half my fault but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll love Vermont but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. It's half my fault but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now you're tire tracks and one pair of shoes, and I'm staying back, but that'll have to do. So I thought that if I piled something good and all my bad, that I could cancel out the darkness I inherited from Dad. No, I am no longer funny cause I missed the way you laughed. Once called me forever, now you still can't call me back. And I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. It's half my fault but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll